The Universe Expansion Interactive Calculator solves cosmological distance and velocity relationships using Redshift data. Let's examine the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate recession velocity from Redshift. Calculate distance from recession velocity. Calculate redshift from distance. Calculate look-back time from Redshift. Calculate proper distance from Redshift. Or calculate co-moving distance from Redshift. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Recession Velocity from Redshift. Next, enter your Redshift Z value, recession velocity in kilometers per second, proper distance in megaparsecs, Hubble constant h0 in kilometers per second per megaparsec, matter density omega m, and dark energy density omega lambda. For our example, I'll input Redshift Z equals 1.5, keeping the default Hubble constant at 70, matter density at 0.3, and dark energy density at 0.7. After clicking Calculate, the results show Redshift Z equals 1000, recession velocity equals 629,564 kilometers per second, or 2,100 times the speed of light. Proper distance equals 10,909.6 megaparsecs, or 35,587.2 million light years. Co-moving distance equals 4,263.8 megaparsecs. Look-back time equals 9.267 billion years. And light travel distance equals 39,688,457.7 megaparsecs. This calculator transforms redshift measurements into meaningful cosmological distances and velocities. Find the link in the description below.